and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really great day. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I have tried to film like 3 other things today and they all turned out miserably. But I definitely wanted to get something filmed today because I have missed you guys a ton and I'm getting a little bit anxious not being able to film videos. I'm just like one big jiggly blob of anxiety. So I definitely wanted to get something quickly filmed today, so I figured I would go ahead and open up these 2 little envelopes here. These are both from some unknown month. They have been sitting in my room for a while now. I'm going to assume they are from March and the month that comes before March, February. So both of these little envelopes here are from Ear Fleek, and this is the cheapest subscription I have ever come across. There might be one out there that's cheaper, but I don't know of it. This is a $3.50 a month subscription, and it is an earring subscription, so it's not like a makeup or a beauty subscription or anything, but it is an earring subscription. These earrings are supposed to be, I almost said cruelty-free. Hopefully they're cruelty-free. These earrings are supposed to be nickel-free and hypoallergenic. I think that's what it is. And if I can find it, if it's still running, if it's still a thing, there is a coupon where you can get your first month for like $1.75 or something. So it's incredibly cheap. Alrighty, so last little thing with Ear Fleek is you can select like what preference you want. Before I picked like simple and classic and I was getting like tiny little earrings, so I wanted to change it up a little bit, try different styles, so I selected boho like a little bit ago, so hopefully these reflect that boho change that I asked for. And also super duper sorry this has been like a 50-minute long introduction. I will definitely have timestamps down below in the description as always. Alrighty, so envelope number 1, let's go ahead and get her out. Alright, so we have our little paper here with our our earrings. So we have our paper here that says, hey, oh, it's the same paper from Rachel S. Hey girl. Unfortunately, it does not say what month these are from, but you guys, it looks like I actually got 2 pairs of earrings in here. I was definitely not expecting that. Wow. Wow, those are some hoops. Oh my goodness. I personally have never worn hoops this big. That's just like my own personal preference for earrings. They are a bit large. I used to wear like smaller silver hoop earrings a lot in like middle and high school, but I've never really worn them this big. These are definitely a statement. I think they could look kind of cute though. Like I've seen a lot of girls wear these types of earrings and they look absolutely beautiful on them. I don't know, maybe I could give them a try and see how I like them, but we do have another set in here, which is a little bit more my speed. These are just like a pair of little gold hoops, which are just a little bit smaller than the first pair. These actually look like something I would wear pretty regularly. I really like gold jewelry, so I'm gonna go get some alcohol really fast and swab these down so I don't get any weird ear stuff, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alrighty, hoops are disinfected. I'm just really hoping they will go in my ear holes. Are my ears even pierced anymore? Oh, okay, there we go. That was a journey. Okay. I'm always afraid of the little backs that snap. I'm afraid it's gonna catch my ear skin. Ooh, fancy. Ooh. These are definitely the biggest pair of hoops I have ever worn before. They're tickling my neck just the slightest bit because they're so big. Let me know what you guys think about these big hoops down below in the comments. Can I pull them off, or is my just wonderful fashion sense far too boring to be able to like rock these gigantic hoops? Let me know what you think. All opinions are definitely welcome. I'm gonna go ahead and try on the little guys, which I think are a little bit more my speed. My everyday style is like sweatshirt, legging, tennis shoes. So these might go a little bit more with, you know, what I tend to wear on a daily basis. Alrighty, so here are the little tiny golden hoops on, and yeah, they're definitely a lot more understated, and I do like the gold, but the other ones are just more fun. I don't know if I would wear those regularly, but for like a more like, you know, fun, festive outfit maybe, whereas these are definitely more like everyday. I feel a little bit like my grandma. She wears earrings like this often, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these as well. I am really amazed that they sent 2 pairs of earrings in one package. I wonder if that was by accident. I wonder if they like were packaging up all the earrings for the month and like accidentally these fell into it or something. But I'm definitely excited to have 2 pairs of earrings for $3.50. I think that's pretty awesome. I don't know if these like fall underneath the boho style. These definitely seem to be pretty like simple and classic. These are a little bit more fun just because of their size, but you know, still pretty simple. They're just plain like silver. So let's go ahead and get into this one here and see what they look like. Maybe we'll be lucky and get another double pair. Oh, okay, so we have a little bit of a different pamphlet now. We have a girl with like purple hair and she's actually like a cartoon. That's pretty cool. And we have, are these tattoos? And I think we have a little sheet of temporary tattoos as well, so that's always fun. Alrighty guys, so here we have these earrings for the month, and they came in a little plastic container here. And these are silver as well, and they're kind of like hoops, almost kind of, but like multi-hoops all stuck together. So not really hoops at all. It's just earrings made out of multiple circles. So here we have the earrings for, I'm gonna assume March, I'm not really sure. Here we have the earrings for March. They're definitely different, a little bit more like fun and funky. I think we are definitely getting into the more like boho style now. Maybe that's why like the stylist is different on the pamphlet. They change based on like what your specification was on your profile. I'm gonna go ahead and swab these down real fast and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. My poor little ears, they're already very red. They haven't had earrings in them in 2 months and now they've had 3 different pairs in the past like 5 minutes. I catch the light real nicely. Alrighty, so here are these earrings on. I definitely think these are a bit more like out there than the first few pairs of earrings I got, so I think the styles have finally changed on my profile. They remind me a little bit like the way they catch the light. Have you seen those things at the dollar store that you hang up from your like porch and they have all these different like layers of shiny plastic and they move and catch the light? That's kind of what these remind me of. These do make me feel a little bit more fancy, even though I'm sitting here in my old sweatshirt and my house shoes and my very, very ripped yoga pants, but you know, a little extra fanciness never hurt. What do you guys think of these though? Do you think that I should stay with the boho theme and get more like weird kind of funky earrings, or should I go back to classic and get the little like tiny dainty ones? Or I think they have different styles, so maybe I should try out a different style. I don't know. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. Somebody is drying their hair downstairs. I'm very sorry if that's loud. Anywho, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. I really hope to be getting back to some sort of normalcy on YouTube here very, very soon. I have missed you guys. I've missed our kind of regular videos. I feel like all these other videos have been kind of strange. I don't know. But I'm so very happy to see you guys today, and I just hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!